Wisdom is infinite. Technology reaches far. Industry 4.0. China Manufacturing 2025 sounds the trumpet of the manufacturing industry upgrades to Smart Factory. We gather the elite of the industry, never forget our mission, and devote to leading the fashion revolution in manufacturing industry. We are Shenzhen Insun Intelligent Technology Company Limited. Insun Company has the mission of realizing SMT smart management and creating maximum customer value. The company has independently developed mature and stable 2D, 3D AOI, 3D color SPI, laser engraving equipment, high-speed dispenser, semiconductor and fine line detection, etc. It has become the most reliable and professional SMT solution supplier at home and abroad. Insun AOI visual inspection technology has always been in the leading position of the industry. AOI can detect solder paste, components, solder joints, wave soldering, and other NG types. And also, Insun has developed 3D AOI ahead of industry. Equipment with a variety of different configurations, such as top, bottom double inspection, double track series, etc., as well as offline programming and remote debugging functions. Also, Insun support customized services for different needs. Insun AOI software uses more than 30 algorithms to bring convenient operation experience. By SPC data analysis, the production process can be adjusted in time and improve the quality performance to realize smart management step by step. Insun 3D Color SPI can detect volume, area, height, shape, shift, bridge, overflow, etc. for solder printing and red glue. Software supports 3D True Color display and simulation display. Programming is simple and easy, only 5 to 10 minutes. And also, Insun SPI has closed-loop function with printer machine, accurate positioning and solving production site management problems to truly achieve smart management control. In addition, Insun laser engraving technology is also very popular in the market. It has powerful software functions. The engraving software independently developed by the company is easy to operate and learn. The imported advanced laser generator is used as the core component. The system can recognize reverse and wrong boards and automatically give an alarm. In addition, the equipment can also be equipped with built-in high-speed turnover structure to meet the needs of double-sided engraving. Insun, with the heart of craftsmen, casting the soul of quality. High-speed dispenser also has mature dispensing technology and control software. And main accessories such as German Verme's piezoelectric valve to ensure the stability of equipment performance. Attitude decides everything. Strength defends dignity. In the long-term operation, Insun has formed its own 5 unique advantages. Technological advantages characterized by independent research and development of software and hardware. Team advantages based on people. Manufacturing advantages integrated with sheet metal, precision machine and electrical installation. Customer-first service advantages and supply chain advantages centered on quality management. Insun adheres to the business philosophy of customer-centered and striver-centered. Always responds to the customer needs in the first time and guarantees the smooth production of customers. After years of market accumulation, Insun brand has been well known at home and abroad. Some customer as Panasonic, Sony, Delta, Foxconn, Flextronics, Topscom, Leader Tech, Tiger Building, Topwise, Sinocare, the leading enterprises in ICT industry, automobiles, mobile phones, medical, etc. Also, the company has set up a branch, Mega Holdings, in Hong Kong to support local services in Southeast Asia and other countries. All rivers run into sea is a kind of attitude. Accumulation is a kind of strength. Today, InSun will grasp the opportunity of the times. Never forget the historical mission. Create brand by profession, win the market by ingenuity, and work together with partners at home and abroad to promote new development of the industry and move towards a new era of science and technology.